I think these are bamboo trees, but it's
Yeah.
super boring.
Yeah.
Hardly anything to do here. That's a restaurant. It's closed. Right now it's closed. Mountain with snow. And then you can cross this path here. Need to kind of cross it. Oh, look. Oh, that guy jumped from there, look.
You did?
So this is the main entrance called Kani Beach Resort, and as you come down here you can see a beautiful mountain with the snow, and there's mountain here with no snow, and on the other side you have the beach. So this is the main reception area. We've got some books over here. Where are we? Over here. And the reception area. As soon as you come out from here, that's where you can go up as well. It's a nice. This apartment where we get a nice beautiful view of the pool and also the beach. As you can see, look, that's the beach over there. We go down there just to have a quick view. Got children's play area, tennis court, and go-karting there. Nice and warm and sunny. Look, this is where these rooms are good.
Yeah, beach room.
Yeah. Even if this one is good, because you can have a nice beautiful view of the beach. But right now weather is a little bit chilly, so it's a bit, you can't sit outside. There's another pool there, there's another pool on the other side as well, so we can go to the beach. Water is a little bit high tide. I don't know whether you can go to the beach. We'll go and have a look in a sec. No, that's the mountain and the beach. It's crazy though. Crazy. Yeah, that's it. Now look at this mountain with snow, mountain without snow, and on this side beach. Crazy, and there are people living up in the hill as well. This side a little bit a beautiful view, beach, but that side a little bit dodgy. You can't really. There's no beach. It's only sea. The little kids are catching fish. You can see some little small fishes swimming around. I can't see to my naked eye, but there's a snorkeling. You can do snorkeling here as well. The beach. So guys, welcome to another video from Crete, specifically in Crete. Yeah, I don't think you can cross this path here. There's a river, sea over there, and a river, a little bit of stream, I would call it. I don't know whether it's a river or a stream. It looks a little bit deeper, so we're gonna possibly cross that bridge to go to that side and walk all the way up there. Come lad. So I'm going to a village called, what is the village name? Huh? We're going to a village called Cabins or something. As I said guys, I have a very difficulty to pronounce some of the foreign language like French, Greek, whatever the thing that you call it. Look at this, need to kind of cross it to go to the other side, because as I said there's a stream going in the middle. So difficult. I don't know how deep that. I don't know whether it's a stream or a river, so it's difficult. Yeah, look at the beautiful mountain on that side. And look, you can probably go underwater in here, but I won't recommend. Oh, look, nice. Yeah, we're gonna walk down to the village. On the way I'll show you guys whatever I can see. A beautiful flower like this, look at this. Beautiful. There's a couple coming, they are going as well.
Yeah, I'm prepared to go jump and save his dumbass.
Okay.
That's a nice seaside. But this is dangerous when the sea and the river is meeting. Sea and the river meeting point is very, very dangerous.
Why?
Huh? Because there's gonna be like, look, see in there, look. It's like a swirl.
Okay.
Well, it will drag you. Yeah, it will drag you in straight. Oh, that guy jumped from there. Look.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do stunts like that anymore. I used to when I was my teenage years. Yeah, it's nice, beautiful beach, guys. To be perfectly honest with you. And if you can see over there on top of the hill, there are some houses. I think the residential houses. People do live there, I guess. This is a place called Crete in Hania. Tomorrow we're going to another very, very popular location in this area called in Crete. So it's going to be a nice video, all day, 10-hour kind of excursion, that is. Looking forward to it. So hit that subscribe button and notification bell, so when I upload those videos, obviously you guys will be notified. Oh, look, it's mountain over there and sea, and then there you get mountain over there. It's crazy. I'm guessing the village is somewhere around there. He said walk straight. Bus services are not there, so we just need to walk. Let's walk about. Okay. Oh. Yeah. I don't know. Oh.
I wonder what that hill is up there.
Kilimanjaro.
It reminds me of Sharm el-Sheikh. Was that a hill, didn't it?
Yeah. Weather is not bad. It's just a little bit chilly, but if you go to the sunlight, then it's a bit warmer, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I better walk on the sunlight to make sure the sunlight is touching your skin here. Yeah. Very nice. Look at that say, look.
Huh?
Huh? You can see the water. Can you put it in the back like this? I think let's look at the aloe vera, look. On the roadside over there I can see. Maybe that's a hotel, man. I don't think that's a residential. Looks like a hotel to me. And then if you go over there, you can see a road. Boom. Yeah, that's the hotel. With aloe vera, look. This is aloe vera, definitely it's aloe vera. I think when I was in Egypt, I saw aloe vera like these trees, like randomly on the street. The amount that we pay to get aloe vera juice and stuff, I mean, In this country, aloe vera juice is just randomly. Aloe vera trees just randomly sitting on the street. I can see a guy, look, beautiful cat over here. Poor cat. Maybe hungry. No. For babies. Huh? What's that? What did you say?
Sit here for a bit.
I'm gonna put this one here.
He's making it more challenging to walk in this sand. Meow. She's looking at. Did you see that?
What are you doing?
Naughty girl. She's a naughty girl. Meow. Oh, you said it to Mom.
Don't touch it, don't touch me. Yeah, stay like. I think he's itching maybe, but
No.
don't touch me, man. Do not touch me. I'm touching you.
She's in the crowd. Look.
Yeah.
Meow.
I think maybe itching, that's why.
No. If they do like that, they're trying to pet like the.
Look.
Like she.
Yeah. Look, literally rubbing up. Look. Why they do that?
See, right?
I need to wash my hand. Yeah. Let me go wash my hand. Because I've touched the cat. I don't know whether it's a good thing or bad thing, but I just need to wash it. I spoke about, I think the village is somewhere around there, so it's a lot of buildings, so let's go and have a look. Let's walk. I think these are bamboo trees, but
Yeah.
people do live there. Look,
The view from up there.
exactly. But winter time it must be super boring.
Yeah.
Hardly anything to do here.
I don't think in Crete it gets. The whole of Greece it doesn't get very cold.
No, apparently Crete does get snow.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh, look, residential area. We're coming down to the residential.
How's it going? Right?
I think that's the main door that we walked in. We came in last night. It's nice when you're like a hot summer time. Sit
It's
here.
not that cold.
Yeah. That looks like a residential area. Yeah. That's it's not. It's
We
started.
passed this way. We came this way. I remember this boat. I saw last night.
Is it?
Yeah.
We didn't pass this way, Jan.
Jan, I remember.
Maybe that way. It's over there.
I remember this boat.
Is it?
Yeah.
Did we come close to the sea? I don't think so.
We were near the sea.
Is it?
How did we get to the hotel then?
From that way, maybe. The car's going. This is like a restaurant. It's closed. Right now it's closed. Maybe later, summertime, they probably open it. We've got children's playground there. We've got children's playground there. That's probably residential.
Oh, that.
Yeah.
The hotel staff say that.
Yeah. Hotel staff do. He said they're staying in the hotel there, haven't they?
Oh, is it?
Yeah. They have a separate annex. Look, there's a pool there. Look. It's not aloe vera.
Aloe vera is just that's cactus though.
That's cactus, yeah. Oh, look, cactus. There's a cactus fruit there as well. I can see the cactus tree and a cactus fruit. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, I won't mess with cactus fruit. It's really spiky. Plus, we find snakes in there on the cactus tree. If you have a cactus tree, that's the snakes.
Is it?
Yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch off. I will show you guys once I get to the village. I think it's a little bit further down. Not sure how far we have to walk because it's the first time. So stay tuned. Maybe that's an interesting village. Yesterday I was in Athens and today in Crete. Resorts, I can show you. Look at this beautiful resort. I'll tell you how much it costs us. Look at that, it's very big, quite big. You can go all the way up there. You came outside, have a quick breakfast. You have sea, and on this side you have hill, mountain. Look at it. And you got kids play area. I don't want to. And this is the gym. I'm gonna sit right here.